What is horror or fear at its core? They're both feelings, and feelings are complicated. Fear gets processed in our brain in three main areas: the thinking part, the feelings part, and the memory part. The part of our brain that governs conscious thought is the prefrontal cortex. It is responsible for almost all high-level processing, what normies might call thinking, decision-making, personality traits, and cognitive function. If you decide to read a scary novel in a coffee shop so the goth barista thinks you're edgy and sophisticated, that's your prefrontal cortex calling the shots. The emotional processing center of the brain is called the amygdala, and it is heavily involved in horror. If you're scared of something like spiders or ghosts, or like this video underperforming on social media, that feeling starts in the amygdala, goes through your brain, all the way through your fingers and toes. We call that feeling scared, or the fight or flight response. Have you ever been really annoyed at a hero who just keeps tripping and doing the dumbest thing possible while trying to get away from the monster? That's not stupid. It's the amygdala screaming at them while they try to think. The third part of the brain required to hone in on horror is the hippocampus. The hippocampus processes, organizes, stores, and retrieves memories. If you're scared of snakes because one almost bit you, that's the hippocampus bringing you back to the moment you were attacked. Prefrontal cortex, amygdala, and hippocampus, these three parts of the brain work together as the canonical tripartite circuit. This circuit is made up of those three parts of your brain working together to protect you from danger. It's like the worried mother in your brain. If it can quickly recognize and remember how a specific person, object, or scenario made you feel, especially if it was not a good feeling, it can swiftly guide you to safety.